Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Instacart, shop and manage deliveries step by step clearly. Open the App Store or Google Play Store on your phone. Search for Instacart and install the official app. Tap the Instacart app icon to launch it. On the welcome screen, select Sign In. Choose whether you want to sign in as a customer or a shopper, based on your role. If you already have an account, tap Continue with email. Enter the email address you used when creating your Instacart account. Type your password carefully and check for typos. Tap Sign In to access your account. If you forgot your password, tap Forgot Password. Enter your email and follow the reset link sent to your inbox. To sign in faster, select Continue with Google if your account is linked. Choose the correct Google account from the list and confirm. Or select Continue with Apple if you use an iPhone and your account is linked. Confirm with Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password when prompted. If asked, allow Instacart to send notifications so you don't miss order updates. If asked, allow location access to improve store availability and delivery accuracy. As a customer, tap the search bar to find a store or items to shop. Add items to your cart and review quantities before checkout. Tap your cart icon and select Checkout to continue. Confirm your delivery address and choose a delivery time window. Add a payment method if needed and place your order. To manage deliveries, open the Orders section from the bottom menu. Tap an active order to track your shopper and delivery status in real time. Use the chat option to message your shopper about replacements or notes. To change delivery instructions, edit the delivery notes or contact support in the order screen. As a shopper, open the Shopper app, sign in, and tap Go Online to accept batches. Check the batch details to shop, communicate with customers, and complete delivery steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.